Here's how to solve WhatsApp messages not sending and receiving problem. Now in case your WhatsApp messages has a clock icon and it's not sending or it's not being received, then first of all you should check your internet connection. So if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, make sure the Wi-Fi is working, which you can check by streaming on a different app. Now if the other apps are not loading or buffering, then you'll know that it's your internet connection that's causing this. So there's a few basic troubleshooting that you can try, such as restarting your router, trying cellular data instead of Wi-Fi, or trying a different Wi-Fi network. And if it's not your network that's causing the problem, then let's move to the next step. Open Settings, then go to your app list, find WhatsApp, and make sure background usage is enabled for the app. If WhatsApp is still not working properly, then let's see if WhatsApp has any server outage. Open your browser and search WhatsApp server status. Now you can go to the Down Detector website, and if there's any outage, you should be able to see it. Also, check your smartphone's system time and make sure it shows the correct time and time zone. Now try sending message once again. If it's still not fixed, you can try restarting your smartphone, and in a lot of cases, this will be able to fix it. Additionally, you can also try clearing the cache of WhatsApp. If you have an iPhone, you can go to General, iPhone Storage, then find WhatsApp, tap on Offload, confirm it, and then reinstall WhatsApp. And if you have a complete backup of your chats, then you can delete the app and reinstall it from scratch. If the problem persists, then what has worked for a lot of users is deleting the pending messages which has failed to send or received. Then send them back once again, and the messages should be able to deliver. And that's all for this video. Let us know which step worked and stay tuned for more.